quick. Hey guys, welcome to class. Today is Monday, April 6th, the first day of spring term 2020. It's finally come. So I just want to give you guys a little heads up, a little about me. I know that we've kind of had a couple of communications. Some of you guys in Math 111 have already watched some of the videos that I've posted this weekend. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little intro to me. So my name is Matt Keeling. I'm your instructor. I had winter term off. My wife and I just had our second child in October. She took October through December off because she's also a teacher, so she took that off. And I took off winter term. So this is my first term back coming into all this crazy mess. So this term is going to be fun for all of us. I know it's going to be really kind of stressful and unique. And throughout the course of the term, hopefully everyone stays healthy and happy and stays in their home and stays safe. But things are going to happen, things are going to change, and we're just going to have to be flexible this entire term. I am going to be here for you guys. That is my entire purpose this term, is to help you guys learn this material. Okay, I'm not here to give out hard grades and be a strict teacher. Okay, if I was teaching this face-to-face in a normal term, right, that might be a little different. If you read rate my professors, right, some people say I'm a harsh grader, but this term, it is all about learning the material for you guys. Okay, to do that, I found the best thing to use, it's free, which is something that I personally love, as well as I know you as students do too, is myOpenMath. So as you can see on the screen, we have my myOpenMath. Okay, so I've already logged in. If you haven't logged in yet or haven't created an account, well, you can't because I'm posting this in myOpenMath. So you've created an account, congratulations, welcome to myOpenMath. So as you see, mine looks a little different because I'm a teacher, right? You'll see under courses you're taking, you should see either Math 111 or Math 243. They're both set up very similar. Okay, so I'm going to jump into Math 111 because I already have some videos posted, and I'm going to switch over to student view so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So when you launch into our course, the first thing you should see is what you're seeing here. Okay, you should see the Netiquette announcement, right? This is just kind of a reminder about how to act in an online classroom, right? Unfortunately, we all are familiar with the internet and how terrible some people are because of the anonymity of it. You are not anonymous on here, okay? Even if you mark yourself as anonymous, I can go and see who posted what, who said what, so you're not actually anonymous, okay? So any veil of that is gone, okay? Just keep it polite, keep it simple. If it's not related to the course in some way, shouldn't be on here, okay? You can see right now there's a new forum post on here, so this is something that is a good thing to keep an eye on. Forums, you can click in there and you can see all of the forums I have available. As the term goes on, as we post more and more topics, more and more things will be popping up. Stats, you guys will see forums each week that you guys will be posting into. And I'll post individual videos for each class and stuff like that. And you just read the syllabus and it'll give you a good sense. But you can see getting to know you post, there's a new post, you can click on that and see what that is. As the term develops, right, you'll have homework helps, discussions and things like that. You want to be checking. Calendar. Okay, you can see there's kind of some events. You can kind of click on those days and see what's going on. So this is Math 111 again. So on Sunday, April 12th, so that's this coming Sunday, there are 2 homework assignments that are due, and you can see kind of when each one is due and kind of how those go through, okay? So calendar is a great way to look. Gradebook, I'm not an actual student in the course, so it doesn't be a gradebook, but you guys will see your grades as you guys are going through your assignments. There's some quick links here if you want to jump to those. I mean, the forums is already up there. Not a big deal. The big thing right now is this weekly calendar. We are in a non-face-to-face class, but I don't want to just completely kick this over to an online internet-based class as if you were to register for an online class. I want to keep some of the kind of semblance of face-to-face because that's what you guys signed up for. That's why I'm doing these videos. That's also why I'm going to try and have a really active presence in this course, okay? But you can see both for 111 and for 243, there's a weekly calendar that shows you kind of what things you should be doing through the week. Now, if you finish all of the things for week 1, that's awesome, as you should. As things come available for week 2, if you have time built into your schedule of like, this is going to be my math class time, work on week 2, get ahead, right? That just gives you more time to study when it comes towards the tests and things like that. And hopefully you can avoid a bunch of build up and, kind of week 5 midterm stress for you guys. So both classes, there is a book that I have posted on here. It is a free ebook. For Math 111, it's one that's actually created by one of the Chemeketa math instructors. It is ordered differently than the book that this course was built out of, so it may kind of be a little bit different. Same with statistics. It's a free ebook as well. That link is always right below the calendar. Okay. Once you get there, there's our start here, okay, which all of you guys should have gone to because you're reading the syllabus, doing the syllabus quiz, which you have to get 100% on before you can access anything else in this course. So once you guys do that, then you'll want to go down into Unit 1, okay? So depending on which class you're in again, right, Unit 1 may look different. So for Math 111, this is our Unit 1, okay? It's broken out by topic, which each topic is kind of done kind of roughly courses. So the way I designed this course is very similar off to my face-to-face course. So the first week we meet 3 times a week. So we meet Monday, Wednesday, Friday, cover foundations Monday, rate of change Wednesday, absolute value Friday. So those are our first 3 topics in the first week. For stats, we cover chapter 1 in one day, chapter 2 in another day. But I felt like kind of spacing those out, especially with this weird term. So you get chapter 1 in one week, chapter 2 in the next, chapter 3 the week after that. So again, stats, definitely. If you guys want to work ahead, because some of these chapters are pretty easy, do it. Okay, so foundations videos are all set up. Okay, when you guys log in, come into this video, come into whatever section you're looking to work on. So as you can see, there are the foundations video lecture, followed by 2 different example videos. So that survey I sent out to you guys, a vast majority of you guys wanted to have a medium video with example videos. Now, I like that idea as well because it gives a nice kind of ability for you to go back in time and be like, man, I'm really struggling with function notation. You don't have to come back and find that in this whole video, or you don't have to like watch the whole video again. You can just go to this. Now, you can click on this link and it'll pop it up in a new tab for you, but you can also hit this little plus sign. You can actually watch the video right here in myOpenMath. Okay, so whatever works best for you, whatever easiest. Now, those are posted on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube app or anything like that on your phone, you can watch those on your phone and make that work. Foundations video guide. So I said those lecture videos are going to have these video guides along with them. Those are just simple little things with kind of some of the key definitions and key terms that are going to be posted in or presented in those videos. If you are taking minimal notes, the least writing possible, those would be the things that you'd have to write down. Those are the things that are like, these are super important ideas, write these down, know what they are. That does not mean that's all you need to write down, right? This is like, treat these videos like a normal lecture, take notes as you want. Nice thing is you can pause and rewind if you miss something. Once you've watched the videos, filled in the video guide, you want to take the video questions, okay? Okay. Each one is going to have a variety of number of questions. This video foundation has 3. You have to get 100% on this to be able to access the assignment. So notice I haven't gotten 100% on this, so I don't have access to the assignment as a student. Okay, really pretty straight. View because I want to show you guys the foundations assignment. Okay, stats. Your guys' stuff is exactly similar. I'll kind of pop over in just a minute and show you guys that. So there's 36 points possible. That does not mean there's 36 questions. Some questions are multiple points. Jump into the assignment, and we can see here's question 1. Now, what's really cool with this is, let's say you get to a question you're really stuck and you just don't really know. There's a couple options you have. Some options, not all, some questions have help assignments, either videos, or maybe attachments to notes or something like that, or some work solutions, some different possible things that you can have there. Okay, another thing you can do is message the instructor, and that sends a message directly to me, just as an email. It's just basically an email within myOpenMath. You can click on that, type your question, I don't know what to do, and send. Pretty easy, okay? Hopefully you guys saw that. Hopefully I didn't just share just this page, but I should. The other thing you do is post a forum, and this will post into the homework help forum, okay? Now I know for math, for both of these, for both of these, there's a lot of different forums. So if I go to forums here, you can see there's, a foundations forum. The idea behind these individual forums is more so questions for the actual video and the lecture, whereas homework help is more of a general place for homework questions. And that's where any of those questions are going to post to. Okay. So let's jump back in here, continue the assessment. Let's jump to a later question. Let's go 6. Okay, perfect. So cool thing with this is when you're working on these problems, it's really easy to kind of make simple mistakes and stuff like that, but the program is pretty good about kind of telling you when things are not going right. Okay, so let's see here, f of -2. So we're going to have the answer be -1 and find f of x when x is -9. Let's just say we're guessing we're going like 0. 0. Okay, submit question. It tells me right now that I got the first part right, but I got the second part wrong, right? We have the green check, red check. It allows me to try a similar question, work the next question, or what's nice, because remember, we have 9 attempts. The way we have those 9 attempts is that was our first attempt. I can now retry this. Let's say I think it's 1. I can submit it again. So that's of 2 attempts. 4. Submit question. All right. So now I've tried this exact version of this question 3 different times. I got the second part wrong each time. Now I can click on the key and see, hey, the correct answer was 6. So now what I can do is I can try a similar question, all right? Locked in. It keeps your highest score on this problem no matter what. Okay, so let's see here, -1, we get -11, and let's say we're going to get this correct. Actually, I'm going to make this wrong. 39, 45, we've got 9. So this time I got the second part right, but the first part wrong. Okay, I still only have 1 out of 2 points. Even though I got that second point right, I still only have 1 out of 2, so my score is still only 1 out of 2. So to get those full points, I have to get both parts correct, and then I get my 2 out of 2. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you guys kind of figure out what to do with myOpenMath. If you have any questions, email me, post in the homework help, post in anything, wherever you want to post, right? Just get that out there, because I bet you if you have a question, someone else does too. Okay, so stats people, let me jump. Posted, they will post here just like in the 111. You'll have the same kind of setup. Okay, so every kind of unit section will eventually look like this, where you'll have a set of videos, the video guide, the video questions, the actual assignment, and any specific forums for that unit. All right, you guys, hopefully that is everything that you needed to know, and we can move on from there. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, email me. Thanks. Bye.